Hello children, today we will learn alphabets A to Z. A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gun. H for hen. I for inkpot. J for jeep. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for top. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe.